TriPeaks Solitaire is a fun solitaire variation where you try to destroy different pyramids, or peaks, by removing cards from them. To set up the game, first, place 3 cards face down on the table, each in their own pile. Then, place 2 cards face down below each of those 3 cards, followed by 3 cards face down below each pair of 2 cards, so you have 3 pyramids. Finally, make a 4th row with 10 face-up cards that connects each of the pyramids. Place the rest of the cards to the side to make the stockpile. To play the game, flip the top card on the stockpile face up. Then, look for face-up cards you can remove from the pyramids. You can move any face-up card that is 1 rank above or below the face-up stockpile card onto that card. The suit and color of the cards don't matter in this version of Solitaire. If both of the face-up cards blocking a face-down card in a pyramid are removed, flip the face-down card face up. If you run out of moves, flip up the next face-down card on the stockpile. You can do this as many times as you need to. If you run out of face-down cards in the stockpile, flip over the face-up cards and cycle through them again. Keep playing until you remove all of the cards from the pyramids, or get stuck and can't make any more moves.